crew to save the day.
The Mighty House crew is on the job. This is
Mighty House.
All right, we're back. Today, we're going to do another unboxing with Klein Tools new safety glasses. They've got a clear and a tinted one for the sun, so if you're working outside. But first, click on that little subscribe button down below and dingle on the bell. That way you get notified next time we post a new video. All right, let's get going on this unboxing. I'm going to send you the tinted ones, and I'm going to unbox the clear ones. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Look at that, right there. All right, so Sonar, how'd that work there, Rich? All right, so give us an overhead shot there, Sonar.
Yeah.
Worked great. Look what I got.
Oh, wow.
What a catch.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got the sunglasses here, and these are Pro Gasket Safety Sunglasses from Klein Tools, and I'm not sure if I got a model number on these. Doesn't say. They are ANSI certified, CSA certified, UV protected. Includes a strong pouch.
Do they have a Z87 somewhere on them or on the lens?
Z87, yeah, 0.1
Yeah,
plus.
so what that is the OSHA standard for safety glasses. So OSHA can actually give you a citation if you're on a job site and you're saying, oh, I have my safety glasses, but you got the $2 ones from the box store.
Right.
They're not Z87, you can get fined. So what you actually got me intrigued with is that actually has the granny strap.
It does. Well, no, this...
Because I have to wear glasses, and my glasses are constantly sliding off my face when I'm working, and between that and the fishbowl, it's very annoying.
So it looks like these click into the sides. Oh, yeah, look at that. So they click in the sides so that
and
way...
unclick when you go to do the other side?
Yeah, it does. Let me see. Oh, maybe I did put it...
I think there's user error.
Oh, yeah, it was. I went into the wrong slot.
Ooh.
I put it in the wrong hole, Rich. Okay, so there.
All right.
There,
Not
now...
touching that one either.
It's prom all over again.
Hey! All right, there you go. So now you even got the band that'll hold them on there. And you know what? These are, look at that. On the sides, they're very thin. So if you were wearing, if you had your ear protection on and you had ear cups, that would be very comfortable.
Wow.
So that bends, that holds in there really nice. You want to read?
How those gaskets are there? I mean, that's a pretty good gasket to get to your face.
Yeah. That's
So what keeps them from fogging up?
well, they do have little vents.
Don't
in
your
them.
eyeballs sweat?
No.
Yeah, I think it's the anti-fog coating in them because these are scratch resistant, fog resistant, UV resistant, ANSI Z87-1, CSA Z94.3, but also MIL PRF 32432A. That means these are ballistic as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Try them on there, Ron.
All right, let's go for that. I'm going to pull the sticker off
I mean,
of here.
I would, but it'd mess up my hair. I figure let you do it.
Going to mess up my
I'm
hair.
actually jealous because I would really love to have a nice pair of like safety glasses like that. But even I always just have, because it's the prescription, I take my chances.
We'll have to open it. It looks like it comes with a little safety pouch in here too. All right.
Yeah, your carry pouch. That's nice.
All right. So I'm going into the MacGyver. This is not included in the package. Let's see. Let's cut this open. And we'll pull that out. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
So did you figure out your little straps?
So there are 3 different accessories that come with this.
Okay.
You've got the breakaway lanyard.
Right.
In case it gets caught on something, it just breaks away.
Yep.
Pulling your face into a machine.
Right.
You've got the case or the bag that you were just talking about.
Right. We've got that here.
Also, your foamies come off.
The foamies come off.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so these. Oh, they do.
Foamies come right off.
Look at that. You can peel those off. So if you don't want that
Well,
dust
how are they
protection,
stuck there?
they clip in. So they clip in around the nose piece, and then they clip into the sides of the glasses there. So
Well,
into
that's
the
ultra
frames.
cool.
Yeah.
So if you don't need that additional dust protection and your eyeballs are sweating because you work in Florida, you could take those gaskets off and not have the dust protection, but still have all the other safety features.
Well, you know, I was cutting glass tile Saturday. I just kept my eyes closed.
All right, you ready? Here we go, Sonar.
Yes.
Sonar's too busy playing with
swap
the.
them out. Oh, wait, that's right. What are we doing?
We're gonna throw these on. Let's see how these fit here. I've got a big egg head too, so I might have to tighten them up. Actually, no, it's not too bad.
Ooh,
Wow, those actually look pretty good on you. Those almost look like your motorcycle glasses.
Yeah.
there you go.
Yeah. Look at that, and they do
I
not.
could see you flying down the highway with the tinted ones, so that now the bugs can't
yeah,
even get in the sides.
Get some Batman.
Oh, yeah?
Instead of Scuba Steve over here.
Okay, so that
Get some Batman.
with the shape of my skull, the gaskets do not sit really tight against my face. They do.
Oh, there you go.
Now tell me you'll be back.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll be back.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Have you seen this boy?
No. It's not a tumor. All right. That's excellent. So the tinted ones work pretty good too.
Yeah.
Sunshades. Look at that.
I wonder if I got a pair of those and I took them in, I got lenses made for them.
I bet you could.
Yeah. Well, you want me to?
Frames cost me more than anything.
I'll send these down to you, and then you can give them a try. So, all right.
Keep them for yourself. You need them for
99.9.
motorcycling. Like I said, mine are all prescription.
Yeah.
I'd love to, but that's the downside.
All right.
99.9% UV protection. It's amazing.
Incredible. And then how?
That is good.
Do we have a price on these?
Price on
check.
these. Oh,
price check on aisle 3.
Price check.
Price check on aisle 3. See, I like the way
Something
these.
tells me you're not going to find them in the electrical aisle at Home Depot either.
No, I don't think so. You're gonna.
I like the fact that those
Look at that. They.
are curved really in,
Yep.
but stay flex. Because like I had Oakleys,
Mm-hmm.
I still have the dents in my skull from Oakleys. Because of the way they wrap around.
Yeah.
Like
See,
you can't wear them all day.
these. Look at that. I mean, they're
$20.
Wow, that's awesome for work glasses.
Yeah.
That flexible.
Look at that.
Around $20.
$20.
No.
All
Yes, sir.
$20 for a pair of safety glasses from Klein Tools with the
That's a
gasket,
value and a half.
with the safety straps and the carrying case for $20. Mm-hmm. You can't beat that with a hockey stick.
Found it right on Zorro.
Okay. So you can also go to kleintools.com for more information if you want to find out a little bit more about these.
There's no more information than what we gave.
I'll
You
bet
both read
there
the
is.
entire box.
There you go. Klein Tools, safety glasses, goggles, whatever you want to call them, unboxing. There's the clear set and the tinted set. Right there.
Top shot.
There you go.
There you go.
Doo, doo, doo.
That's nice. So you can
Beautiful.
also ballistic as well, so you can take them shooting.
Excellent.
I mean,
Well, the other side of that is if you're using them and you're using a powder nailer or something like that, or a Hilti, something where you're
Powder
shooting.
actuated nailer.
Yeah, there you go. That thing right there, Rich, what you said.
Yes.
That's what those would be safe for then too. So, all right, there you go. Another great product from Klein Tools. And with that, we'll say keep it square and level.
Till next time.
Until next time. There you go. Boom, done.
yeah, that's great. I'm gonna go Home Depot right now. They're like $17 at Home Depot.
17 at Home Depot.
17 at the Home Depot.
Are you serious?
Serious.
I'll buy a pair just to have.
You go over there, get the Duluth or something. You're looking
Yeah.
at like $30 for something like that.
That's it. Oh, here.
They appear to be quite a quality product.
Yes, they are.